All right, a quick update on ORCA. So it's been a while since we looked at ORCA here. So looking at it going from the low here to the high here on the weekly chart, you can see we're at resistance at the 382 and the point 0.5 here at about 288 up to 306. And if you cannot get over that, the support to watch, as you can see, we're sitting on the point 0.5 at 219. So you may come back down 21%. If you fall below 219, then we do have that macro larger 382 here at 177, and you may drop a total of 38% here on ORCA. Now, if you push through this point 0.5 level, then potentially you're going to move up about 9%, and the next stop's going to be that macro 618 and the 236, as you can see here, at about 469 there for a 73% move. So just some smaller prices to watch here on ORCA. Let's get that off of the chart. The overall chart, you can see we hit right onto the 786 at 939, and then we just kind of have been coming down ever since. And you can also see the uptrend here was potentially broken and then tested as resistance off of that wick, and now you're just kind of coming down here. So ultimately, on the larger scale, you're below 288. As long as you're below 288, that puts 177 on the table here for this thing to come back down. And like I said, you are holding right here on that 0.5 support for, it looks like, for about 2 months here. So it is strong support at that level. So you may end up pushing back through that 0.5 and then getting some momentum going back up, which you can see on the weekly chart. The weekly stock RSI is starting to poke its little head up here, and maybe it'll start going vertical here. But other than that, just watch those prices on ORCA. And how high is this thing going to go? It already tagged the 786 here in December. So if it's going to come back up here and break through that potentially and then go for the high and potentially a new high, if you think ORCA can hit a $3.5 billion market cap, then you can clearly see we already have the measurement up here going pretty much from today. Let me move this down just a hair. You can see almost a 25x to a new high at the 1272 at pretty much $70 for that market cap and that multiplier there. So what are your thoughts on ORCA? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.